Kulumbai. Good morning to each and everyone. I myself, Bidesar Demari, a principal of Aham Barebato English School. Today, I take my opportunity to speak few words regarding our institution, Aham Barebato English School. Aham Barebato English School is one of the institutions which was established in 2007, and today, 2000 year 2025, where we have given our steps. The aim and objectives of this school is to train our student in the right path, for which our intellectuals of entire Siemensapuri area and well-wishers of this area have a dream to establish one of the future school, and today Aham Barebato English School is one of the future school in our Siemensapuri area. I myself have joined in 2009 August 4, and till today I have been giving my service. Till today I have been giving my best service to train the students and to guide the student in the right way and right direction. As our Aham Barebato English School is upgraded to Aham Barebato English Senior Secondary School, from last year onwards, we have established a kind of coordination with our public and the school managing committee of this institution, giving enough effort and giving a helping hand to develop this institution more and more. And today, the result is in our hand. So Aham Barebato English School have the strong foundation where children can start from the nursery level up to class 12, where children can build up their aim and ambition, where children can fulfill their dream, where parents can fulfill their dream. And we are doing for it. The number of faculties we have the trained teacher, we have a trained faculty members of different subjects. For example, we have 3 ML, Bodo, Assamese and Hindi, and for this 3 ML, we have 3 separate teachers. For English, we select postgraduate for English subject. For social science, we select postgraduate for political science. And for physics, chemistry, biology, we select separate postgraduate teachers for each subject. And all are working for it. The entire Siemensapuri knows that Aham Barebato English School have been doing best in the result. Number of students are able to get a distinction, star, first division, and could go for a further education. Many of our students have already got their job, and some of the students are taking admission in medical, for engineering courses, doing graduation, doing postgraduate. I myself feel proud that our students are studying in nook and corners of Assam, not only Assam, nook and corners of our India, where students are able to establish a good reputation and able to bring fame and reputation for this institution, Aham Barebato English School. Today, I take my privilege and give information to the parents that Aham Barebato English School is issuing form for the newcomers for the nursery classes, and admission is already started. So those parents want to give their child or take admission for their child in this Ahambara Batu English School, they are most welcome, and they can take admission for their child in nursery level. And today, 20th February, we have started our exam for class 1 up to class 8. And by the first week of the March, our exam will be completed, and within a week, we'll give the result and we'll start our admission. For here, I like to say that the parents, those are seeking for the students or newcomers from other school to take admission to our Ahambara Batu English School can take form from our institution, and they can fill up the form and can submit to our institution. They must bring PAN card, Aadhaar card, or Aadhaar card, and school UDICE, and PAN number and upper ID. And if they don't have these all documents, they can contact me. I will try to help the parents. And for the newcomers, we'll have entrance. We'll mention the date. And already we have set up one date for the newcomers. By the 20 March, we'll have newcomers entrance, where the student willingly want to study in this institution can come fill up for the entrance. Dear parents, our teachers, our faculty members, our school managing committee have been working very hard to uplift the entire Siemensaburi area in the education field, and our school too. We are working to develop in the education field and other extracurricular activities. We want our students to be a human being, and for which we are working for it. Here, I like to give one information regarding our class 11 students. So already from last year, we have started our science stream, and this year we start our art stream too. From 15 March, we'll give advanced coaching to our students, and the students who have appeared HLC examination and they have the confidence that they will pass the HLC examination, they can join with us, and they can join in our coaching too. With free services, we like to give advanced classes to our students, where students will learn physics, where students will learn chemistry, where students will learn the biology, mathematics, English, and ML too. So we want to make our students advanced. The reason behind is that we want our students to be advanced like other institutions, where students go for coaching and they're prepared as fast as to compete with other, or to compete with the examination, and we are doing to that. And we are going to start from kind of coaching from 15 March. So our students, please, you can join with us, and we want the entire Siemensaburi to be moving forward in educational field. Thank you.